Cult culture makes over 80K per day by doing this one single thing. Storytelling. But how did they master storytelling? Today, I'll give you 3 steps that help them control the emotions of their community. A crazy market shift is happening right now where small brands and of course big brands are taking their content way more seriously. They treat their content like TV series, which means brands starting to think like creators, influencers, videographers, and filmmakers. So should you be aware of this? That's up to you if you want to win. Now, for you to understand this deeper, let's break down cold culture's strategy. I call their process NDF. Narrative. This is like Spider-Verse thing. How can you create another dimension for a consumer to hop into, like a portal to a new dungeon? This could be an activity. People want to live exactly like what they see on the internet, whether it's you showcasing the BTS from your shoots, how you're making the clothes, or community events in real life. Maybe. Or aspirations. You know what is the foundation of having a strong narrative? Dopamine. You gotta become a dopamine dealer. Content is all about creating status. You're creating a perception, so it should be a good viewing experience. You know what dopamine creates? Feelings. Ask yourself, what emotion am I gonna walk away with from consuming this video? Is it wanting to check the location, the music used, the models, or of course the clothes? Was the video so emotional that I had to stop scrolling and do something about my life? Oh, also, if you're struggling with creative direction for your brand or creating a narrative for your brand, feel free to shoot me a DM on IG or comment down below, and I'll try to give you my input and how I view your brand. The MDF process is very simple. It all comes down to brand positioning. This fashion designer, he hosted an MMA fight at his runway show. If you think about it, that's merging two worlds into one. It's like insane vibe building and world building. That's why being cool is not enough anymore. Be specific on how you want your consumers to see you. All you have nowadays is 3 seconds to hook someone into your world. Research about yourself, research about the market, and enjoy the process. That's it. Check this video I made about how to keep people obsessed with your brand. Peace. Peace.